This is Lauren, and she has bipolar disorder. That means she experiences extreme shifts in her mood, from severe depression to mania. It's an acute mental illness that has destructive effects on every part of Lauren's life. There's good news. With medication and therapy, bipolar disorder can be effectively treated, and Lauren can lead a full and successful life. And with Tend by her side to guide the way, treatment can be easier, more effective, and less scary than ever before. Tend uses the combo of an iPhone application and separate touchscreen wristband to collect and track vital medical information, schedule and track medication usage, and support and motivate its wearer in their health maintenance goals. Let's take a look at how Tend can support Lauren in her new diagnosis. Lauren's just returned from her doctor's office with 2 new prescriptions and wants to begin using Tend. She opens up the Tend app on her phone for the first time and begins adding her first medication. She takes a photo of the prescription label, and Tend does the rest, extracting the necessary information from the label and creating a schedule for when she should take her medication. She confirms that the information is correct and then repeats the same steps for her second medication. When she's done, she goes on to the next step. She grabs her Tend band and turns it on. Using Bluetooth technology, the Tend band connects to the mobile phone application so the data can be passed back and forth. When her Tend band is connected, she moves on to the final step. Lauren can also choose to track symptoms beyond the statistics gathered by her Tend band. Lauren's doctor informed her that the medications she prescribed could cause side effects of headache or nausea, and if these side effects become burdensome, her dosage can be adjusted to try and alleviate them. So Lauren wants to track how often she gets a headache or feels nauseous to help better inform her doctor's dosage decisions. When she's all done, the app brings Lauren to her home screen and lets her know she's just received her first points. Once Lauren reaches 100 points, she'll get her first badge and can pick a charity for Tend to make a small donation to in her name. It's 9 in the morning and Lauren's Tend band alarm has just gone off, letting her know that it's time to take her medication. She looks at the band and knows exactly how much of each med to take. She taps the button to indicate that she took the correct dosage. Then Tend band asks her to let it know what symptoms she's experienced so far today. She woke up with a mild headache but no nausea, so she taps to indicate both. Then Tend rewards her for her effort with 5 points. These 5 points just made Lauren's total 100 points, which means now she can make her first donation. She opens up the application on her phone and navigates to the donation page and scrolls through to look at all the charities that are partnered with Tend. She picks St. Jude's Children's Hospital and clicks the donate button, and easy as that, she's just done a good deed for the day. Lauren has a doctor's appointment later in the day, and all the data that her Tend band has collected can help Lauren's doctor make some important decisions in regards to Lauren's medications. Lauren opens up her dashboard and scrolls down to the chart labeled electrodermal activity. Electrodermal activity is an indicator of a person's mood. Higher levels indicate anxiety, where lower levels indicate relaxation. For the past month, the Tend band has been tracking Lauren's electrodermal activity, and looking at the resulting chart, it's pretty clear that her mood levels have been stable. A good indication that her medication is working. Tapping on the My Symptoms tab, Lauren finds the headaches chart. It shows that she's been experiencing quite a few in the past month. Lauren passes all of this information onto her doctor, and her doctor decides that the medications prescribed have been working, but a lower dosage will most likely alleviate her headaches while still being effective. Tend kept Lauren on track with her medication schedule and helped her doctor make wiser, more informed decisions that put Lauren on the road to recovery. With Tend on her wrist, Lauren always has a caretaker around to guide and support her on her way to a happier, healthier life.